Hey, it's Mike at Payam Data Recovery with Data Recovery Specialist Way, looking at a case study that required some serious detective work. This is an iMac M4 data recovery case study showing how Payam Data Recovery in Sydney, Australia recovered data from a completely dead iMac when no schematics were available and standard diagnostics failed. A customer sent in their iMac M4 model M4A3137, which was completely dead on arrival. No power, no signs of life. Here's what makes these cases so difficult. Unlike traditional data recovery, where you can remove a hard drive or SSD and work on it separately, the iMac M series is an all-in-one design. The SSD is built directly into the logic board. You cannot remove it. The only option is to fix the computer itself by doing complex electronic fault finding and repairs to the logic board. This is work that even Apple does not do. Very few companies in the entire world can perform this level of repair. Most people will simply say it's impossible. But Payam has a skilled team who specialize in this type of onboard repair work. Way's first step was carefully removing the ultra-thin front panel. This is a delicate process where one wrong move could crack the glass, making the machine unusable. From there, he pulled the motherboard, navigating a maze of screws and tiny components. Diagnostics showed no voltage output from the power source at all. Without schematics available for this model, Way had to rely purely on experience. He traced the short on one of the power lines and attempted to inject a small voltage. No luck at first. After many repeated attempts, he nearly gave up. Then he spotted a second short on another line. Under the infrared camera and microscope, he found a capacitor near the camera module with a tiny blown hole on its side, almost invisible to the naked eye. He replaced the capacitor and the iMac powered straight back on. With the machine running, Way backed everything up to their internal backup drive, then transferred all data across to the customer's own drive for a full recovery. Once the data is safe, Payam recommends customers take the computer back to Apple to replace the logic board and any faulty parts for a permanent fix. Payam's team can help with complex recoveries from iMacs, MacBooks, iPhones and other computers that have onboard or built-in SSDs. They see these from other manufacturers too, including Dell, HP and Microsoft Surface devices. Professional tools, real expertise and unmatched results. Thanks for watching.